Civil Authority has issued tornado warning for the following counties/areas. Posey, Indiana. At 8:32 p.m. on April 28, 2017, effective until 8:47 p.m. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. CDT for southern Posey, west central Henderson and north central Union counties. At 8:31 p.m. CDT, the severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Vernon, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado engulf all-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon. Tornado, radar indicated hail, 1.75 in. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial
hopes and maybe a chance at greatness.
Not only his production, but as I talked about earlier, when you lose a big-time producer like that, you lose leadership, a guy that a voice, someone who can stand up in the locker.
Cookie with him tonight. Hello, you all.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County and east central Kentucky, northeastern Anderson County and east central Kentucky until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Frankfort, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfort, Lawrenceburg, Alton, Broadville Manor, Capital City Airport, Bridgeport, Avenstok, Evergreen and Farmdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page or tweet your report using hashtag #LMKSpotter. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
There's Williams again.
Taking charge.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Daviess County, Greene County, northern Martin County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Linton, or 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, a rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-size hail as well. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Worthington, Swift City, Lyons, Newberry, Crane, Burns City, Owensburg. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Is success? Is it a
This is a special weather statement issued at 6:37 a.m. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Pacific County and southwestern Washington until 7 a.m. At 6:36 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Bay Center, Oregon, 19 miles southeast of Westport, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Raymond, South Bend, Bay Center, and Parkland. This includes the following highways in Washington: U. South. Highway 101 between mile markers 38 and 66. State Route 6 between mile markers 1 and 2. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Now she takes it everywhere.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a tornado warning for northern Franklin County in northern New York, west central Clinton County in northern New York, until 1:30 p.m. At 1:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm containing the possible tornado was near West Bangor, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Malone, Chasm Falls, Brainardsville. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in that storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont.
A grommet, lad.
This is a tornado warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, southeastern Duval County in northeastern Florida until 7:30 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mandarin, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Baird around 7:15 p.m. Milwaukee and Durban around 7:20 p.m. Ponte Vedra Beach and Sawgrass around 7:25 p.m. Palm Valley and Guana River State Park around 7:30 p.m. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Florida, Duval and St. John's.
Just a bit of harmless.
More on the sweltering heat and those continued BP oil updates.
But first, we want to share with you.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for southern Barry County in southwest Michigan, northern Calhoun County in south-central Michigan, southwestern Eaton County in south-central Michigan, northern Kalamazoo County in southwest Michigan, northeastern Van Buren County in southwest Michigan, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 8 miles northeast of Papa and moving east at 60 miles per hour. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, Richland, Bellevue, Marshall, Kendall, Gobles, Oshtemo, Galesburg, Alamo, Augusta, Brookfield, Olivet, Converse Township, Lee Township, Ceresco, Bedford, Springfield. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying objects.
Laura.
At Streeter into near Herscher and now south of Kankakee. Now most recently reported with this storm here, this rotating part of the storm.
The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for extreme southwestern Lyon County in northwest Iowa, extreme northwestern Sioux County in northwest Iowa, northern Lincoln County in southeast South Dakota, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 4 miles northwest of Worthing, or 12 miles south of Sioux Falls, moving southeast at 27 miles an hour. The tornado will be near Kenton around 3:35 p.m. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Saturday evening for northwest Iowa and southwest Minnesota and northeast Nebraska and southeast South Dakota. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Lyon and Sioux, and Lincoln County, South Dakota.
Please stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oak Grove, or 13 miles west of Dillon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, quarter-size hail, and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Ladd around 7:40 p.m. Dillon and Floydale around 7:45 p.m. Fort around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include MCLEOD Medical Center. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Goodbye, everyone.
Just a gratuitous insult. Promotional consideration provided by
Life is 1% inspiration and 90.
Watering.
No.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for Ingham County in south central Michigan, Jackson County in south central Michigan, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe squall line capable of producing brief rain-wrapped tornadoes in addition to widespread straight-line wind damage. This dangerous storm was located near Bellevue and moving east at 70 miles per hour. Very damaging winds have been reported in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek with this storm. The most damaging wind should affect Springport shortly. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Jackson, Lansing, Springport, Grass Lake, Concord, Brooklyn, Leperville, Williamston, Stockbridge, Leslie, Mason, Clark Lake, Waterloo Township, Liberty Township, Michigan Center, Tompkins, Vandercook Lake, Horton. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Squall line tornadoes are often hidden by heavy rain within the squall line. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
Winds low 67.